Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 on your PC or laptop. In order to install Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 on your PC, you have to follow the steps. In order to access the following game, you have to install Steam on your device. So in my case, I happen to already install it. I'm just going to instruct you. So for that case, open up a browser, steampowered.com, and it's going to take you to the official page. So the installation process is very simple. All you have to do is just follow the instruction. Just go ahead and press on install Steam, and it's going to take you to the other confirmation page where you have to go ahead and one more time press on install Steam. Then the exe file is going to load. You have to press on it, and once it is completely downloaded, it's going to run the installation program. So go through it and accordingly install it. And when you have done that, you need to go ahead and log in or create an account. And once you're done creating your account, log in into your Steam account, and when you are on the Steam homepage, go to stores. When you press on stores, here on the search box, you need to go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for. Since we are looking for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, go ahead and type in that. When you locate the following game, go ahead and press on it, and here you have this article. Go through the instructions and follow the terms on how you can go ahead and install and download the following game. So that's basically how you can download and install the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 on your PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.